In light of the recent announcement of the acquisition of Triumph Group by Warburg Pincus and Berkshire Partners, we are reiterating our thesis on small-cap aerospace companies. For context, over the last 3 years, there has been significant consolidation in the aerospace and defense industry from both strategic and private equity buyers. The acquisition spree has driven up industry multiples and left only a few small-cap aerospace and defense companies remaining. In our opinion, the push for consolidation is driven by 3 forces. First, the commercial aerospace industry has a decade-long backlog and travel demand remains strong. This bodes well for both OEM sales and the aftermarket. Second, regulation for the aerospace industry, which is enforced by the FAA, is strict and presents high barriers to entry. In many cases, there is only one provider of a given component. Lastly, acquirers are able to drive strong synergies post-acquisition. For instance, larger companies can implement a more aggressive pricing strategy, which carries high incremental margins. We are closely watching Astronics, Ducommun, Mercury Systems, and Innovative Solutions and Support, companies with significant intellectual property as well as long-term contracts with large OEMs, among other factors that make them attractive for acquisition. Here's to corporate synergies during the season of love.
Michael Bergio is an analyst at Gabelli Funds. This podcast is an excerpt from Gabelli TV that appeared on February 13, 2025. Gamco is providing these links as a matter of general information. We do not intend for these links to be a complete description of any security or company, nor is it a research report with respect to any of the companies mentioned herein. As of September 30th, 2024, affiliates of Gamco Investors Incorporated beneficially own 5.8% of Ducommun, 1.64% of Astronics Class A and less than 1% of Class B, 1.61% of Innovative Solutions and Support, 1.23% of Triumph Group, and less than 1% of all other companies mentioned. The analyst's views are subject to change at any time based on market and other conditions. The information in this posting represents the opinions of the analyst and is not intended to be a forecast of future events, a guarantee of future results, or investment advice. Views expressed are those of the analyst and may differ from those of other Gamco officers, analysts, other employees, or the firm as a whole. Because the investment personnel at Gamco and our affiliates make individual investment decisions with respect to the client accounts that they manage, these accounts may have transactions inconsistent with the information contained in this posting. Certain Gamco personnel may know the substance of the posting prior to its posting. This webcast is not an offer to sell any security, nor is it a solicitation of an offer to buy any security. Stocks are subject to market, economic, and business risks that cause their prices to fluctuate. When you sell shares, they may be worth less than what you paid for them. For more information, a prospectus or summary prospectus, visit our website at www.gabelli.com or call 800-GABELLI or 800-422-3554-914-921-5100 fax 914-921-5118 info@gabelli.com.